gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you another wholesale shoebox from WiBargain. So you guys know that I tried the women's shoebox, loved that, thought that one was excellent. I also did the kids shoebox, and that one was so-so. I mean, I wasn't happy about all of the slippers. If I order shoes, I want shoes, not slippers. So whatever, we're just gonna, that box was not as impressive as the women's box. So I figured I would go ahead and try the men's shoebox. This is the thing. I ordered the men's shoebox, which has 20 pairs of men's shoes in it, which could be tennis shoes, flip-flops, sandals, work boots. It could be anything, right? And any size shoe. You just don't know what you're going to get. But that's not what they sent me. They sent me the wrong box. My thought is that they probably ran out of that box because it took them forever to fill my order. I think that WiBargain is just getting more orders than they can handle right now because they are so backed up and getting all of these boxes delivered to people, which is a good problem to have, but it's bad for your customers because while we're waiting for our boxes, in the meantime, you're not really sure whether or not you have enough inventory to cover the boxes that people have already ordered. That's a problem. So nonetheless, that's the one that I ordered was the 20 pairs of men's shoes. What they sent me was the work boot one, which was $5 more expensive than the shoe one, but it's all work boots and it's only 10 pairs. So I'm not excited, as excited as I was when I thought I was getting the men's shoebox. So whatever, it is what it is. Without further ado, let's see what's in this thing. Okay guys, so like I said, they sent me the wrong box. The box that I ordered, the cost of it is $95, but I had reward credits because you get reward points, and after so many points, you get rewards. And I had $20 in rewards built up. So I used my $20 towards this purchase. So I paid $75 for this box. But the actual box that they sent to me cost $100, just so you guys know. They're sold out of both of these boxes, both the men's shoes and the work boots. So neither of them are available right now, but I'm sure as soon as they build up their inventory, they will have them available again. So I did cut the top of the box off, but I did not open it. The only reason why I'm certain it's probably the men's work boots is because that's what it says on the top of the box. Awesome. All right, so let's open this up and let's just, see if that's exactly what it is. It is. No surprise here, guys. All right, let's open it up. I mean, I'm not as excited as I was because I don't know how much of this my family is going to want, but we'll have to see. Or will fit into. Let's start with this pair up here. I mean, they're in good shape, though. Dang. This is called, what, Interceptor? Here's the bottom of the boot. That's what the brand is right there. I mean, this is nice, guys. Look at that. That is a nice, really nice boot. Here's the tongue that also has the name of the shoe. It is a size 9.5. So this is a size 9.5 work boot for men. I know for a fact that the men in my family don't wear a 9.5. However, some of the teenage boys might be able to wear these. I'm not really sure. I'll find out. And if they like them, I don't know. So I'm going to do my round robin with my family first, and then I'll go from there in terms of how I'm going to either give away or sell these shoes. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do yet. Okay, so that's pair number one. Here's the other one of those. All right, so this next pair here, dang, these things are so heavy. Oh my gosh, how could somebody wear this? Oh my gosh, this has to be a steel toe. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. Herman Survivor's Professional Anti-Puncture Boot. This is a heavy boot. There's the tongue of the brand there, and there's the bottom of the boot. This thing is so heavy, guys. Oh my gosh. Here's the boot itself. I've showed you everything else except for the actual boot. This is what it looks like, guys. These are in excellent condition. Oh my gosh. I think one of these weigh as much as I do. Okay, so here's the back of it. All right, so what's the size? Oh, here we go. Men's size 13. So that's good. So these are size 13. I mean, this is a really nice boot though, guys. I have no complaint. This is a great box. This isn't the one that I ordered, but this is a really great box. I mean, I've done 2 pairs so far and it's pretty darn impressive. Okay, so here's the other one of that extremely heavy boot. Am I going to shake the camera? Probably. Sorry if I did. These are nice too. So these are another Survivors ones. Here's the bottom with the little logo there. And here's the little tongue that tells you what brand the shoe is. This is a size 12. That's awesome. These will probably fit some of the guys in my family. These are nice. I love the camo. This is a really nice boot, guys. I hope you guys are seeing it all. I showed you the bottom and all of that stuff. This is a really nice boot. I mean, honestly, guys, wow. For the cost of this box, I mean, these first 3 pairs, one of them can probably cover the entire cost of the box. So this is a great box, guys. I have no complaints about that part of it. I just was more excited to get the other one than this one. Okay, so that's pair number 3. This one here is the same as that other one. That black Interceptor one that I showed you. I don't know if it's the same size. It's a size 10, so it's a half size bigger. Again, not sure if anybody in my family can wear that. We will find out. Seeing a lot of duplicates in here though. So what is that? Pair 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 5, 6. There's supposed to be 10 pairs in here, so I can count that after. This one is Brommer boots. I don't know these brands, guys. I'm not familiar with men's boots. So there's that. And here's what the bottom looks like. There's their logo on the bottom. I mean, these are really nice. This is a men's size 11. I believe that's the size. Oh, it's waterproof. It's a nice boot. I believe it's the size Noah's dad wears. So that's nice. This is a nice boot. I don't know if he'll like it or not, though. We'll find out. This is really nice, though. Good. I mean, I honestly, I can't complain about the box itself. I mean, this is a little dirty right here, but I mean, it's not that bad, guys. This is a really nice box. Okay, so I think this one is, yeah, this is the same as that other camo one that I showed you. The size is a size 10 though this time. So again, I'm not really sure about, I'll be able to find the size 10s at home. We'll have to see. All right, what is this? This looks kind of, maybe not. I was gonna say it looks kind of feminine. Maybe not. Here's the brand right here. So this one is a size 8.5. That's small. So I'm not really sure. Maybe one of my sisters might want these. I mean, I think they look kind of feminine. Maybe they don't. But honestly, at an 8.5, they might be able to fit one of my sisters. So I'll see if they want them. I mean, why not? These are cute, though. I mean, that's a cute boot. Should I say cute for men? I don't know. Whatever. I just did. Okay, so this is another, ooh, baby. This is another steel toe. That's a heavy boot, man. How can you guys wear these steel toe boots? These are incredibly heavy. Like, to me, they're incredibly heavy. Okay, so here we go. Here's the brand. It still has, like, the tag stuff on it right there. Anyways, here's the brand of the boot. Wow. It's in excellent condition. Look at the bottom of that, guys. Wow. Okay, so this is a size 10. A men's size 10 boot, and it says right here on this side here that it is a steel toe boot. Guys, this thing is so incredibly heavy. I mean, wow. I'm going to put them back in here because we're near the end. There's only one more pair in here, and it's not a boot. Awesome. If you're telling me you're giving me a box of boots, I want a box of boots. Don't be throwing tennis shoes in here. Now, if it was the other box, okay. But this box says it's supposed to be boots. I want boots. Don't be throwing tennis shoes in here. I'm just saying. All right, but they did. So nonetheless, it looks like it's a nice brand of tennis shoe, and it's a size 10. I don't know. Can I get in here to show you the brand? I hope so. It's on the tongue. I'm trying to get the tongue out for you guys so you can see it because I don't know what that is. There's the tongue, but there's also the inside of the shoe. So that I should tell you guys what the brand is. I mean, it's a great shape. It's okay. I mean, it's not a pair of Jordans, but you know, whatever. So here's the bottom of it. So it looks like somebody tried it on, walked around in it for a little bit, and decided they didn't want it. And gravel, nonetheless. So whatever. All right, guys, there's supposed to be 10 pairs in here. So I'm going to pause for a second. I'm going to count these, see if there is 10 pairs, and then I will be back. Okay, guys. So this is the thing. There are not 10 pairs in here. All right. So number one, they sent me the wrong box. This isn't the box that I ordered. So they sent me the wrong box, and then they send me this work boot box that's supposed to have 10 pairs of work boots, and they sent me 8 pairs of boots and 1 pair of tennis shoes. So they couldn't even get 10 pairs of shoes in the box at least. I'm not happy. All right. Point blank, period. I do like WiBargain. I do think that it is a great deal. I think this box was a great deal, even with the 9 pairs in it. But don't tell me you're sending me 10 and send me 9. Okay, I'm just not happy. I'm not happy at all. Now, this box was jam-packed full, so I don't see how they could have fit another pair in there. But it does say in the description that you're going to get 10 pairs of boots. I got 8 pairs of boots and 1 pair of tennis shoes. So it's just put a bad taste in my mouth. It really has. I do like WiBargain. I will most likely still continue to buy from WiBargain. But this box was a big disappointment for me. So I will reach out to their customer service. I don't know if I'll get anywhere with it. I don't know if they can give me some sort of credit or something like that, because this isn't exactly what they said it would be, and they sent me the wrong box. I'm not going to go through the trouble of sending this back to them. I will find a home for all of these boots, but I'm still disappointed with this box overall. But if anybody is interested in getting a box from WiBargain, they do have like Amazon return boxes, Home Depot boxes, trying to think, Walmart return boxes, Target return boxes. They got quite a variety of return boxes and other wholesale boxes that you can buy on their website. I will have a link in the description box below for anybody who's interested in seeing what WiBargain has to offer. I have been happy with quite a few boxes that I purchased from them. This one was a disappointment in the fact that it wasn't what it said it was going to be, but the value is 110% there, so it's not that big of a letdown, if that makes sense. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Thrifty Thursday. That's when I'm going to do it. Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's... That just happened. One more. Oh, no, it's going to stay put for now. I'm going to have to move it, though, because it's going to fall, too. Let's try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Thrifty Thursday. I don't know. Thumbs this off. Just try it again. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you another box from WiBargain. Is it a return box? It's a wholesale box. Yeah, wholesale. One more time. I keep saying that'll probably be 30 more times. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. That did not come out right. Try it again. That box was $95, but I had a $20 off credit for how much, like, you get points every time you buy boxes. So for how many boxes that I bought, I had like 20 points built up, which, not 20 points. Ugh. How does it work up? Reward points. That's what they're called. Okay, try it again. Again. Awesome. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you another wholesale shoe box. Again, that kind of stuff. They have a Home Depot one. WiBargain has a variety of boxes to choose from. I will have everything linked. No, this is a mess. Ugh.